Welcome everyone. Are you having trouble logging into Pinterest on your PC after the latest update? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to resolve this frustrating issue. Let's get started, so you can get back to your Pinterest boards. First things first, sometimes the easiest solution is the most effective. Try completely closing your web browser and then reopening it. This can help clear out any temporary glitches that might be interfering with the login process. Next, double-check that you are entering your username and password correctly. It sounds obvious, but it's easy to make a typo, especially with longer or more complex passwords. Pay close attention to capitalization and any special characters you might be using. If your login information is correct and you're still facing problems, try refreshing the Pinterest webpage. Simply click the refresh icon, usually located at the top left of your browser. This will ensure you're loading the most current version of the site. A stable internet connection is crucial for accessing Pinterest. Check your connection by going to the notifications area on your computer and click on the network icon. Make sure you are connected to your network and that everything is working properly. If you see any issues, try restarting your modem or router. Sometimes, the problem might be with your device itself. A simple restart can often resolve underlying issues. To restart your computer, press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and then click Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn your computer back on by pressing the power button. If none of these steps have worked, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This data can sometimes become corrupted and interfere with website functionality. To do this, click on the three dots at the top right of your browser to open the menu. From there, find the option to delete browsing data. In the new tab that opens, make sure all the options are checked, and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data. Keep in mind that this will log you out of other websites as well, so be sure you have your passwords handy. If you're still locked out of your Pinterest account after trying these steps, there may be a problem with Pinterest's end. In this case, check the Pinterest status page to see if there are any ongoing technical issues with the platform. If the problem persists, consider contacting Pinterest's Help Center for further assistance. I hope these steps help you resolve your Pinterest login issues. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.